Hi there. Thank you for purchasing our Zombify Facebook campaign files on Envato Market. In this document, I will explain all the steps needed in order to install your new application. Because this is a Facebook tab application, you will need a PHP and an SSL-enabled hosting service. I recommend using Bluehost, which is the hosting service that I use for my commercial Facebook campaigns. Let's begin by taking a look at the files you have downloaded. Amongst the various PHP files, you can see a file named config.php. This PHP file will contain the data the application needs in order to connect to Facebook and to connect to your MySQL database. Let's define the host name. When connecting to your database, the host name you will almost always use is localhost. The exception to this will be if the script or program you wish to connect to the database is running on a different system. We shall now create a new database. I will call the database Zombify. I will copy the new database name and paste it as DB name. I shall now create a new user. I will call the user Zombie. You can choose any names you wish for the user, for the database, as long as it's defined in the config.php file. So I created a new user called uZombie, and I will use the password generator to generate a password. Let's paste that password in and use the password to create the user. I will copy the username once more, paste it within the config.php file, save the file. The last thing I need to do within the database scope is to connect the database user uZombie to the database Zombify and to give that user all privileges within that database. And this is it for the database part. The next step will be to define the Facebook app variables for connecting to your Facebook applications. Thank you.